You doing, everyone? Just finished up on a 2017 Porsche Boxster. I love Porsches. I love any Porsche. Doesn't matter. So nice. We did a 1 year ceramic on this, and we did the wheels too. Took the wheels off and did the barrels of the wheels, and then did the paint job. Did the 1 year. This one definitely needed some loving for the paint work, but it really turned out great. Got that deep glassy reflection now. It's just what we were looking for, trying to achieve with this car. Now looks great. A lot of times people don't realize just how dulled out their paint can be until they get it all polished up and all cleaned up. Just enough, just to bring back that shine, bring out that flawless look, and that fresh from the factory paint job. And then, want to preserve that. Once we do it, preserve it and protect it. And it's exactly what we do with the ceramic coatings. And again, like I said, we did the wheels because these wheels on these Porsches, the brakes, they dust like crazy. So whatever you can do to make them easier to clean. Really makes a difference. Keep this thing looking top notch for years to come. So, Precision Auto Aesthetics in Hamburg, New York. Appreciate you watching. I'll talk to you soon.